Lwaki olowooza bakujje ku list y'abantu aboogera ku DSP?
I do not know, but I had proposed, and there was a proposal which was confirmed by the Secretary General of the party during his press conference, that I would speak on the subject of the role of the opposition in parliament. The opposition are not enemies of Uganda. The opposition also love this country, only that in many ways their perspective is different, and some of the solutions they're proposing may be different. But we generally agree on the problems that afflict Uganda: education problems, livelihood problems, and health problems. We have climate change, the geopolitics. So perhaps there may have been a fear that giving me a platform would endear the members of parliament to me. But these members of parliament, they know what they want, or at the very least, they know what they don't want.